Alright, well, I'm about to go to the junkyard, so I gotta pack up this bag, and it's kind of a mess. And this bag's awesome because I'm gonna be able to pick up all my tools and be on the go here to the junkyard in no time. So, just, your average tools, kind of just scattered all around, but this bag, I'll be able to organize them. So, give me a sec. I want to test something out.
Alright, let's see how long it takes. What's that here, actually? Let's take this with me too. Let's see. That'll work. Yeah, that's it. So, all that's picked up and organized. I lie, I missed one. Oh no. It's a 14 hours bad day. But yeah, all fits in that bag pretty nicely. My dad might be a little jealous. No, I think I'll go for it. Alright, now we're good.